In this video, we're covering the removal and replacement of the fold-down seat. For this, you will need 2 people and a socket wrench. The first step when undertaking any maintenance on your shower is isolating your water supply. To begin, slide the shower out and go to the rear. Get your assistant to go inside the shower to support the seat. Take your socket wrench and undo all 3 bolts at the rear of the shower and remove them. Now, inside the shower, remove the seat and get the new one, place it into position, lining up the holes in the seat with the holes in the column. Hold it steady whilst it is reconnected from the other side. Tighten up all bolts and push your shower back into position, always from the base, never from the glass or framework.